ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಭಾರತ ಪೋಲಿಯೋ ಮುಕ್ತ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಖುಷಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಪೋಲಿಯೋ ಲಸಿಕೆನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪೋಲಿಯೋ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಮುಕ್ತ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ನೆರೆಹೊರೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಲಿಯೋ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿತೌಟ್ ವೀಸಾ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಬಹಳ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಪೋಲಿಯೋ ಲಸಿಕೆನ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಹಾಕಲೇಬೇಕು. ಕೀಪ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಪೋಲಿಯೋ ಫ್ರೀ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಪೋಲಿಯೋ ಫ್ರೀ.
Dear parents, the 21st of February is National Immunization Day. Protect your child below 5 years with 2 drops of polio vaccine for life. Issued in public interest by Rotary Club of Bangalore.
Is the road clear? There's 2.5 minutes to go for the open 10K run. Everybody is lined up already.
जो तिरंगा झंडा मैं नहीं लहरा पाया, जो नेशनल एंथम मैं नहीं बजा पाया, ये मेरी आखिरी ख्वाहिश है कि दुनिया छोड़ने से पहले मैं देखना चाहता हूँ कि हिंदुस्तान
Mommy's gonna run for happy Bengaluru. Daddy's gonna run for happy Bengaluru.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I request you to all please rise. Her Excellency, the Honorable Governor of Goa is here with us. May I request you all to please rise.
Prakash Belwadi, National Anthem, please.
Good afternoon, friends. I welcome you all on this great occasion of our Rotary Conference, 39th Rotary Conference in Panchin Kala Academy, Goa. As we all know, for the first time, we have moved out of our district, and with the help of the District 3170, we are conducting this great conference here. Before we start any task, we always invite the blessings of the Almighty, the Gurus. I would like to say a small Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. I salute all the Gurus who have been here and all the Gurus, mentors who have made this conference to this conference today. Your Excellency, Srimati Dr. Mridula Sinha, Governor of Goa, and a renowned scholar. We have RI Rep, Trustee of Rotary Foundation, Rotarian Mario Caesar. Our beloved Governor, RID 3190, Flight Lieutenant, Rotarian KP Nagesh, and First Lady Ann Uma Nagesh. We have our DG Anand and DG and Asha Prasann Kumar. We have my counselor for this, Rotarian PDG Vishwanath Shetty, mentor PDG Yoganand, district secretaries, and on the dais, Rotarian Ram Sheshu today, and my aunt Meera Prasad. We have a lot of past district governors of District 3190 and District 3170. We have district secretaries and district officers of District 3190 and District 3170. Our conference committee chairmen and all the committee members. And we have a lot of fellow Rotarians from other districts too, and plus from my own district, 3190. And we have Rotarians from USA, Germany, and Australia who are present here. And you all know that a cycle journey was started from Bangalore on 21st to reach here today. I think we need to give a big round of applause. Ma'am, about 16 cyclists started their journey from Bangalore to Panjim, and on the way they met a lot of Rotarians to find out the problems in the particular states. We have about 13 bikers from Bangalore and about 12 from abroad too, were all joined here. I think what a great day for us to start our conference. And friends, for the first time, you know that we have been conducting this beautiful conference in this beautiful Kala Academy, which is well known for cultural excellency. It's my great privilege to thank all the go-getters who are here. Without them, without their support, this wouldn't have happened. I think you're all excited here, go-getters. This morning, we started with lighting a lamp, which signifies the awakening the glow of the soul within oneself. Her Excellency Srimati Mridula Sinha, the Governor of Goa, a renowned scholar, is here to inaugurate our conference and the heart surgeries, which we all know about it. It's our privilege to welcome Her Excellency on behalf of our district governor and on behalf of our Rotary District 3190 and on behalf of all Rotarians here. Her Excellency today will be dedicating a few free heart surgeries to the needy in a short while. Free heart surgeries are a gift to mankind and a great contribution of our Rotary. I'm happy to welcome our beloved DG, Rotarian Flight Lieutenant KP Nagesh, and the First Lady of the district, Ann Uma Nagesh. I take this opportunity to welcome our DGE and DGN, and I welcome Conference Councillor, PDG Vishwanath Shetty, and our mentor, Yoganand, and I welcome our District Secretary, Ram Sheshu. I recognize the presence and welcome the past district governors of District 3190 and 3170 and district secretaries and all district officers. I welcome my conference committee. I welcome my Ann Meera Prasad. I welcome my fellow Rotarians, presidents, go-getters from District 3190 and from 3170 and from the Rotarians from USA District 5630 and Rotarians from Germany and Australia who have come all the way on bikes to this conference. I think we need to give a big round of applause, friends. And I have my own friends, IFMR riders from Bangalore too, who are here. I welcome all the Rotarians, Innerville members and Rotractors. I welcome all friends from my print and electronic media and guests here. I welcome one and all, and it's my great privilege to our district by all your presence. Thank you, friends. Thank you.
Now I request our District Chief Mentor, Yogananda sir, to introduce the Chief Guest.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Goa, District Governor, First Lady, RI President, Representative Mario Cesar, Conference Chair Nagendra Prasad and his Ann Meera ji, District Secretary, most importantly, Conference Councillor Vishu sir, and First Lady of the district, of course. She was born in Muzaffarpur, Bihar, wife of Dr. Ram Kripal Sinha ji, ex-MP and former MOS Government of India. She has a BA Honours and an MA in Psychology and also a bachelor's degree in education. Taught as a lecturer at Dr. S.K. Sinha Women's College, Motihari, became principal at Bharatiya Shishu Mandir, Muzaffarpur. Amongst the several administrative responsibilities she has handled are Member Raj Bhasha Samiti, Ministry of Home Affairs, Member Hindi Salahakar Samiti, Ministry for Steel, Chairperson Central Social Welfare Board, Member Delhi Women's Commission, Delhi Government, Member Railway Hindi Salahakar Samiti, Ministry of Railways. She has handled many political responsibilities such as Member National Executive BJP, Prabhari BJP Mahila Morcha, Convener NGO Cell BJP, Vice President All India BJP, President BJP Mahila Morcha, and several others. Actively participated in the Samagra Kranti led by Jai Prakash Narayan ji, member of the BJP Disciplinary Action Committee for 2 years. She has a deep sense of social responsibilities and has pursued it as President Surya Sansthan Noida, President Rajmata Vijay Raje Sindhya Smriti Nyas Delhi, Vice President Akhil Bharatiya Sahitya Parishad, founder and editor of the Panchwa Stambh magazine, participated in more than 200 programs on All India Radio and Doordarshan on literary, political, and social issues. George Orwell, the great author, was born in Motihari. No wonder the young lady, with encouragement from her husband, honed her writing skills and experimented with the various forms of writing. A prolific writer, her novels Jo Mehendi Ko Rang, Nayi Devyani, Garvas, Sita Puni Boli, Savitri, Atishay, and many others. Biography that she has written, Rajpath Se Lokpath, on Srimati Rajmata Sindhya ji. She has to her credit a collection of short stories, Sakshatkar, Ek Diye Ki Diwali, Sparsh Ki Tasir, and Apna Jivan. Essay collections written by her include Aine Ke Samne, Manvi Ke Naate, Purana Ke Bacche, and Bihar Ki Lok Kathayein. She has written regular columns in Hindi and periodicals, magazines and periodicals nationally. Some short films and features based on her work are Dattak, NFDC, Udar Ka Suraj, Doordarshan, Jo Mehdi Ko Rang, Doordarshan again, Khel Khel Mein. Friends, naturally, national and international awards and accolades have come in search of this unassuming author. Sahitya Bhushan Samman, Uttar Pradesh, Hindi Sansthan, honored by Vishwantar Hindi Samiti, New York in 1999, Rashtriya Shikhar Samman, Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Samman, Uttar Pradesh, Hindi Sansthan 2001, Kalpataru Samman, Delhi 1989, Ojaswini Shikhar Samman, and Sahitya Shri Samman. The greatness of her works is reflected by the fact that 21 scholars have got their PhD for their thesis on her literary works. She has been to Germany, Manila, New York for various conferences and presenting papers. Participated in Vishwa Hindi Sammelan in England, Suriname, South Africa, and Mauritius for a period of many years. Rotarians and friends, it is an honor and pleasure for me to introduce to you a renowned author, a true symbol of Indian womanhood, and the Honorable Governor of the Indian State Goa, Her Excellency, Dr. Mridula Sinha ji. Thank you.
Respected Governor of Goa, Her Excellency Mridula Sinha ji, Rotary International President's representative, RI Foundation Trustee, Past District Governor, Mario Caesar sir, role model of Past District Governor, who has given a wonderful conference for many people to remember, my Guru Vishwanath Shetty sir, Centennial Year Governor, my friend, philosopher, guide, and chief mentor of our district, respected P.D. Yoga sir, my Aptamitra and hero of this conference chairman Nagendra Prasad and his gracious and Meera Prasad. Another Aptamitra and very dynamic district secretary Ram Kumar Sheshu. First Lady of the District, Uma Nagesh. Respected past RI officers. Another chief guest today with us, Padma Bhushana Atreya Sarji. DG and Asha and Prasanna Kumar. My dear go-getter presidents, world-class presidents. May I request all of you to rise, please? All the world-class presidents, wherever you are. Wonderful president, you are my heroes. Thank you very much for coming in such a big number. Please, thank you very much. And respective first ladies, world-class district team members who are making this conference happening in a big way, and also the district going very positive and in the front line. May I request all the district team to rise and recognize, please. All of you frontline runners. Thank you very much. My salute to each one of you. Really great. Very important this year, the way in which the district is progressing. All the new members who got inducted this year, they come in big number. May I request all the new members who inducted this year, who are here with us, please rise and recognize. I know your number, your support is going big way, and we are all jointly writing history in creating. Thank you very much. Invitees, guests, aunts, annettes, and friends from print and electronic media. A very good afternoon to each one of you. I'm really confused whether I'm in Bangalore or in Goa. Good afternoon. Namaskara. Really, thank you very much. You made it. Let me salute each one of you for making this, coming here. Thank you very much. It was just a dream. 1.5 years back, we just dreamt when we were looking for conference to be something different. I think why conference? For the whole year, everything to be different. And one of the ideas come conference, let us make conference a different way. And then somebody told, why only different? Let it be in different place. And different place where? We were just discussing, I think Vijay Tadimala, district treasurer, has given an idea. Why not Goa? I told, let us go Goa, straight away. We locked down from that moment. And we are all here in Goa. We are feeling that, I think I am feeling very clearly with the full audience here, either in Bangalore or Goa. I am really enjoying this. I really hats up to each one of you for coming in such a big number and being part of this wonderful organization, a district event, annual event, in a big way supporting the district. Thank you very much, friends. Then our RI President, K.R. Ravindran, a very energetic, a dynamic leader, international leader, has given a wonderful theme for the year, be a gift to the world. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದಾದರೆ ಹೊರವಾಗುವುದರೆಗೆ ಅನ್ನತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮೆಸೇಜನ್ನು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. With that, friends, each one of us are really working hard to be a gift to somebody in somebody's life in whatever way possible. My journey in Rotary started when my club member, Rotarian Jai Prakash and Dayamai Jai Prakash, introduced me to Rotary 20 years back. May I request JP and Dayamai JP, wherever they are, to get recognized. Thank you very much for giving a gift of Rotary for me. And my journey started there with that gift. Like this today, this year, so many Rotarians introduce 1,000+ Rotarians. What a gift they given to the Rotary. May I request all the introducers this year to rise and recognize who are introduced the Rotarians in a big number. I think Sital Kumar is one, introduced around 40 members. Almost all my presidents and a lot of Rotarians who joined hand and lend your hand to introducing a lot of new members. Thank you friends. Keep introducing. Let us strengthen Rotary. Today, when with that theme, let us be a gift to the world. When we are already in Goa, we're just thinking what difference we can make being at Goa. When we consulted another very dynamic leader, upcoming Rotary leader from Goa, past President Gauri Doon, he has given a proposal. In Goa, we are having a lot of cases about heart disease, children below 12 years. We told our strength, like we are doing so many projects. When we mentioned about solar light system, they told no, we are having 24/7 current. Whereas in Karnataka, we are having 24/7, sometimes current is not there. That suits for us, but they're not suiting us. When we mentioned about heart surgery, he was very positive. He told, why can't we join hand and take up this as a project? And why can't we be a gift to the patients here in Goa? Today, we have decided, we have taken up this as one of the project. Our hero of this heart surgery, heart care, O.P. Kannaji is going to give a presentation later. And we are agreed to take up to 50 patients for this year from Goa. And later on year, we're going to have this tie-ups and we're going to take it up in a big number as long as the number of cases are coming. We're going to have a tie-up between Goa and RI District 3190. So when we are friends, we are discussing all this, our activity in District 3190. It's my duty to inform my RI President Rep and also the Governor, Her Excellency Governor of Goa, what Rotary District 3190 is doing. Let us run through the district activity. So doing things differently was the thing when we initiated, because doing same old things in same old way brings same old result. Why can't we make it different way and get excellent result? That was the idea we started with. Then mainly I focused about membership development. So membership development is one of the activity happening very big way, where we stand world number one from day one till date in the whole Rotary world with highest number of membership growth. We already 1,143 is our number as in today. Our target is 2,400. In all possibility, we're going to achieve that and create history and write new history. Never happened in any district, anywhere in the world in last 111 years. That's what we are progressing. This is the progress happening on membership development. This is the difference what we are making. Then we are told women in Rotary. Bangalore being one of the metropolitan city, our women's strength was just only 296 when we did to take over. Now the number is 450, a growth of around almost 52%. And our target is to make double at least, 100% growth is our target. We are working towards that. Then comes external extension. When we studied 3190, Rotary is doing well, but only in one certain concentrated area. A lot of geographical area was left without Rotary representation. We thought it right to take it to every taluk headquarters, give an opportunity for people to join Rotary. With that, we started our journey.